Today we're showing you how to replace the light on a lamppost. Unfortunately, over the weekend, some vandals came by and they whacked our light with a bat. But positive comes out of all this. We're going to show you guys how to install a new light on your lamppost. Okay, I'm not sure what's the funniest part about this guy's swing. His load and his stride is horrible. And his swing, I'm not sure if his butt is facing me or that's the front of him. Oh my god. But even funnier is as he's running back to the car, he's pulling his pants up and his buddy is recording him. What is he recording? For the worst swing ever? So stupid. So this is our broken lamppost we're replacing. And first we're going to clean up all the glass around it. So we're going to make sure our fuse is off. We actually went and we labeled this lamppost. We had found that this was the fuse that actually turns the lamppost off. So we're going to shut this off before we do anything. So this is a DIY project. If you are not comfortable with wiring or your electrical, you should hire an electrician. You should also consult all manuals, whether it's the light fixture manual or even the manual on the wire nuts to how you install this. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to remove the lamp. Now that the lamp is removed, we're going to pull the existing wiring out slightly so we can disconnect it. We're going to remove the wire nuts, then we're going to untwist the wires in order to separate the light. Now that we got the old light removed, we're going to connect the new light. Make sure you check your light's instructions in order how to do this. First, we're going to twist our wires together and make sure they're really tight. Then we're going to add a wire nut to make sure they stay secure. Also, make sure you twist the wire nut until the wires below the wire nut are twisting together. Now repeat these on all three sets of wires. You have the ground, the black wire, and the white wire. I like to add a little bit of electrical tape around the wire nut and the wires to help keep everything secure. Once that's done, we're going to take care and put the wires back into the post. Then we're going to mount the lamp.
Once the lamp is mounted, we're going to go and we're going to turn our fuse box back on, and we're going to test to make sure the light is working. Next, we're going to secure the light in place. Then we're going to place the top pieces on the light as the instructions say and secure it in with our pommel. And there you have it. We replaced the broken light on our lamppost. Make sure you like and follow for other great content.